Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. It's really easy to make money in this market, provided we learn how to. And I'm going to help you learn this art. Yes, it is an art. And it takes some learning. And I'm here to teach you how to make money. There are a lot of people who will teach you a lot of things about a lot of different issues of the market. But there is hardly anyone who will teach you how to make money. And I'm not going to teach you a lot of other things about the market. I'm going to teach you how to make money. To make money in this market, you need to trade or invest. To trade and invest, you need to know when to enter a trade, when to exit a trade. How will you know that? We will know that by deftly following the indicators that we like. Now, what are the indicators? How to that we learn as we go on. For today, what we are going to do is we are going to learn a little basics. The basic, when I say to buy or sell, we need to look at the chart. The charts are different type. There can be line graph, there can be bar chart, there can be candlestick chart, there could be different things. We are going to use candlestick chart. That is why we let us try to understand what is a candlestick chart. A candlestick chart contains many candlesticks. For example, a day, one particular trading session has 6¼ hours from 9:15 in the morning to 3:30 in the afternoon. It has got 6¼ hours. That consists about 75 5-minute candles. Now, these 75 5-minute candles will tell us different stories. In fact, each and every candlestick tells us a little story about itself for that 5 minutes duration. Let us look at few graphics and try to understand. Candlestick charts, when we are talking of, a candlestick depicts open, high, low and close prices for the duration. Its candlestick can be green or red. For that duration, when closing price is higher than the opening price, that is for the 5 minutes when we are talking of 5-minute candles, if the price closes higher than where it opened, it becomes a green candle, and when the closing price is lesser than the opening price, it is red. A candlestick has a solid body, green or red, and an upper wick and a lower wick. Of course, at times there is no body at all, which we call doji. That we learn as we go. But for the time being, let us take it as it has a solid body, an upper wick and a lower wick. In a green candle, from the upper side of the solid body to the highest point of the upper wick, that is the highest price. Highest point of the upper wick is the highest price during that duration, and lowest point of the lower wick is the lowest point during the duration, and highest point of the body is the closing price for a green candle, and lowest point of the solid body is the opening price of the green candle. The same way, when we see a red candle, everything else remains same. The highest point of the upper wick is the highest point. The lowest point of the lower wick is the lowest point. But the opening and closing change. That is, highest point of the upper solid body, highest point of the solid body is the opening price, and lowest point of the solid body is the closing price, because closing is lower than the opening price here. Now, candlesticks make various sizes and shapes. You can see in this chart different types of candlesticks. Now, all these candlesticks together, say for example, in a day there are 75 5-minute candles. Those 75 candles together, or in a year if you are talking of 250 or so day candles, all of these candlesticks together make a different candlestick charts or candlestick patterns that can be deciphered into different action. Now, as we go, we learn more about indicators, charts, chart patterns, etc. For the time being, let us try to understand these things, these candlesticks properly. Use these charts well, try to study, and if you have any doubts, if you have any questions, please try to contact me. I am always available to solve your queries. You can always get in touch with me either on NiftyIndicators.com or on 9372672102 most of the day. That is, I work from 8:30 in the morning to 1:30 in the night. The decent time to call is after market hours, after 3:30 till 10:30 in the night. Feel free to call whenever you wish. Thank you very much. Goodbye.